today we're launching the world's first fully digital and totally dry pre-press workflow for flexography. And in order to fully appreciate the superior quality and productivity benefits of this technology, we'd like to take you through a live demonstration of this breakthrough workflow from design to a thermally processed Flexo plate ready for press. Now, our objective is to prove to you that the age of reliable, high-quality, just-in-time plate making has arrived. To help explain the process, we'll take a typical job through the 5 major steps that are shown on this panel behind me. While you're watching, please keep in mind that the process we're showing here is not abbreviated. We are performing each individual production step. And like the real world, we'll operate our production system in the pipeline mode, performing steps concurrently. By doing this, we'll only need about 10 minutes of your time to fully demonstrate this breakthrough technology. The key point to remember is this: DuPont's revolutionary digital workflow will allow you to go from approved design to a finished Cyrel plate ready for press in as little as an hour with the highest quality, consistency, and predictability available in flexography today. Now compare this to the conventional processes that can take 3 hours or more just to produce a plate. Our digital story begins right where you'd expect it, on the actual desktop of a designer, graphic artist, ad agency, or printer. Now, here's today's project. It's a simple test target built around the digital front-end graphic that you'll see throughout the CMM show. It's been out for customer approval, and just like in the real world, we need to make a last-minute change. We've been asked to add the DuPont color proofing logo. Now, Phil is going to make that change for us, and as you can see, he happens to be using a Macintosh with an off-the-shelf PostScript application. But the system is open. It can be interfaced with Barco, PCC Art Pro, or any system that you're now using. There's no need for you to change your existing front end to take advantage of our fully digital workflow. With the label approved, it's now ready for the next step: digital color proofing, which is a step change from the conventional proofing process. First, there's no film involved in making a digital proof. And digital proofing lets you scientifically and accurately plot and reproduce colors on press with a precision that is unmatched by conventional processes. It saves time and money by greatly increasing press uptime. As everyone here knows, packagers have special needs when it comes to color. There's literally thousands of custom and specialized colors in use today. DuPont has developed the world's widest proofing portfolio, built from over 30 years of strong leadership in color science, so that no matter where you are in the workflow, we have a range of performance options to meet your needs, and they are all best in class. All right, now at this point, we have reviewed and we've modified the design and approved the proof, which is right here. Now on to the next step: imaging. Obviously, if you're going to move to a fully digital workflow, you must be able to go directly from computer to plate. Our approved file has been sent directly to the plate setter. Loading of the plate is very simple, right, Phil? And once the plate has been mounted, imaging begins with just the push of a button. By completely eliminating the film, the digital Cyrel plate is able to achieve a quality level that is clearly superior. The digital plate produces fine highlights, vignettes, and tonal gradation unlike anything seen in Flexo before. Line work and text are razor sharp, and the reverses are open and clean. No matter what type of press you're on, the print quality from digital Cyrel is impressive, approaching, or in many cases, exceeding offset and gravure. Print quality improvement is not the only advantage of digital Cyrel. The on-press performance of digital plates is also superior to conventionally produced plates. Digital plates let you change over jobs quicker, cut make-ready time, and come up to color faster than conventional. They print predictably when they go on press, consistently throughout the run, and repeatably from run to run. The bottom line is that not only will a fully digital workflow give you higher quality and competitive advantages, it will be a very effective pre-press and press room cost-saving tool as well. Now, the actual imaging time for the label will be a mere 10 minutes, right, Phil? But rather than wait for the plate to finish imaging, we're going to move on to the next step of the process. Exposing the digital plate is the step that changes the least when you're comparing digital with conventional workflows. But here, too, Cyrel digital plate making brings dramatic process improvement. Since our image data is written right onto the surface of the plate rather than to a piece of film, there's no need to draw a vacuum during plate exposure. This means there's no hot spots or dirt artifacts to consider, and there's no lengthy vacuum drawdown. The process is simple and clean and significantly reduces waste. Now, where this step, exposure, is practically unchanged from conventional processing, the final step is totally revolutionary: the thermal developing of the digital plate using the world's first dry plate making system, Cyrel Fast. It's called Fast for a very good reason. As we know, currently it can take more than 3 hours to produce a Flexo plate using the solvent washout systems available today. Cyrel Fast accelerates the process to produce high-quality plates in less than a third of the time by completely eliminating the solvent washout and drying steps. Cyrel plates of unparalleled quality can now be produced in less than an hour without chemical washout and the associated recycling and storage concerns. Cyrel Fast plates come in standard thicknesses, so they can easily be exchanged with conventional Flexo plates without changing plate cylinder undercuts, plate distortions, or mounting tape. They're also fully compatible with solvent, UV, or water-based inks. Whether in conventional or digital formats, Cyrel Fast plates are characterized by outstanding thickness uniformity, superb run length, and excellent ink transfer characteristics. As you know, DuPont invented digital flexography and currently offers a wide assortment of outstanding solvent-based digital plates that have raised the quality bar in Flexo. Well, I'm here to tell you that Digital Fast continues in that tradition. The plate is easily capable of holding a 175-line screen from a 1 to 99% dot, and will render fine type and open reverses at the same high quality levels you've come to expect from our solvent washout digital Cyrel. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now actually processing a Cyrel Fast plate using dry thermal processing. It'll take about 9 minutes to process, at which time it'll be ready for immediate finishing and mounting to a sleeve or cylinder. As you've seen, this job was designed, proofed, imaged, exposed, and processed with the world's first totally dry digital workflow for flexography. We've shown you how you can noticeably improve your quality, dramatically shorten your access time, and significantly cut your costs. So now you know. The age of reliable, high-quality, just-in-time plate making has arrived. Thanks to DuPont's leadership in digital color proofing, digital computer-to-plate technology, and Cyrel Fast dry thermal plate developing. Thank you.